Schnitzel. Oh, that's great. Good morning from Austria. Good morning from Vienna, Austria. And we're gonna check it out and share it with you. We're gonna try some food, see some sights, and pretty much share the experience with you. Let's do it. We're actually leaving the city center right now, and we're gonna take a tram to Grinzing. Say it again.
I don't know. I've been asking you.
Well, he took German in high school, so this is really a refresher. Actually, he doesn't remember anything. But we're going to Grinzing, and it's supposed to be like what you picture when you think of like an Austrian village. And this one happens to specialize in wine, and there's vineyards.
Ooh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So I'm super excited. Our Airbnb host told us about it, and we're gonna check it out. So the tram just drove past this place, and it already looks so cute. Oh my God, look. This town has turned out to be so picturesque. It's a little sleepy though, maybe because it's Sunday.
Because it's Sunday, but I like it.
It's like, we've seen like maybe 6 people, a lot of cars coming through, but...
It's great for photos because there's no one.
Yeah, it is just so gorgeous. I think I found the Instagram spot here, and by that I mean when you Google this town, this is what shows up. It's super vibey. I might get a picture here and then eat lunch because I'm starving. Actually, lunch first. Look at this place. Okay, so we're at the most magical place for lunch, but the only thing is the menu is entirely in German, so I already know it's gonna be a good place, authentic place, and we're in for an interesting lunch. I can read kraut. I can read beer, so I might be getting those. I'm trying I really poured this bad. Sorry, I don't know. Svetle original this.
I guess I'm gonna get the
That's good. Yeah. That other beer that we had, cut to me trying my first Austrian beer. Okay, I'm trying my first Austrian beer ever. I've always heard that like over in Germany and German culture, like we have piss water as beer. So I'm excited to try this. Here we go. It's supposed to be a little bit sweeter, she said. So. Oh my God, that's so good. We do have piss water. It is so good. I don't know if I'm getting like a fruit flavor in there, but it's almost giving strawberries and cream, and there's nothing missing from the beer. Usually it's like bitter and there's like a gap. I can't explain it, but this is hitting every spot. It's so good. That beer was awesome. This is second. That was first place. This is second place. But this is good. It's refreshing. I think so.
I think we're both gonna have the, what was it? The Hühner Schnitzel.
Yep.
With, let me try and say it.
Yeah, say it.
Erdäpfelsalat.
Erdäpfelsalat.
Ah, okay.
I tried. It was good.
Okay.
You filming a vlog?
Yeah. Yeah, on YouTube.
Cool.
Yeah. You want to be in
It's a
it?
beautiful spot.
Just if I have to.
Yeah, come over here. What's your name?
Oscar.
Oscar.
This is Oscar, and he wants to be in the vlog. And he's going to bring us the okay, I can't say it. Hühner Schnitzel mit Erdäpfelsalat.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was alright. Time to try authentic Austrian food. So we've got this potato salad. I don't know the pronunciation, but it looks amazing. There are chives and a red onion on top. They're slippery, so there's probably something else on here. It's like a lemon sauce. Oh my god, those are so good. Love those flavors. Simple, so powerful. Then we've got chicken schnitzel, which is pounded out chicken. It's deep fried, to my understanding. I'm gonna put a little lemon on here. We're gonna try it. Ooh, look at that. Cuts so easily. Here we go. Our schnitzel. Ooh, I like the breading, the lemon on there. So good. Fried chicken, but elevated a little bit. Oh, so yummy. Now it's time to eat. Oscar came to check on us, and he's like, you know, beer's not traditional for where you are, so we're gonna order a glass of the house wine. He said it's from Austrian grapes mixed together to make this wine he's gonna bring us, and we're gonna try it, and that way we're in the like wine house experience. Thank you. Okay, one more time. What is it called?
This one is called gemischter Satz, and this one is called Riesling.
Ooh. All right, we're gonna try it. Thank you. Trying the
Gemischter Satz.
right here. Oh, it smells fruity. Here we go. Oh, that's great. Oh, it's a little dry at the end. It's not too dry to where it's like filling your mouth with fumes. You know what I mean? It's really yummy. I think it tastes a little bit of fruit in there. Fruit notes. And then I'm gonna try now. Oh, that one's a little bit sweeter, I think. A little less dry, but very good. Watch, they're the same one. Ooh, very good. We've got Apfelstrudel with vanilla sauce. So it's swimming in this sauce. I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like cheese. Powdered sugar on top of a phyllo dough with some cinnamon and apples inside. There's even some apples on the side. So I'm gonna try this. I can't get it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. That is so good and warm. It tastes like fall. A cool fall day. Cover it in the vanilla sauce. Look at that. So good. So good. That's so good.
Oh my god, that's good.
That was the most delightful experience I think we could have had. Oh my gosh. Oscar was so nice. That place was beautiful. Shout out, Oscar. The food was so good. The drinks were flowing, and he even gave us this little insider tip to look at the vineyards. You can go up this little road which I'm already out of breath from, and check out the vineyards. It's the Schnitzel. Schnitzel's sitting just right. But yeah, let's go check out and find the vineyards.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody.
We found the vineyard.
We found the vineyards.
I was doing fine. I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
Oh, hey there. Want to join my Patreon? Click this button and you can help support our journeys all across the world and receive a postcard. Thank you to my current Patreon members, Gabby, Palmer, and Jordan and Lana. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys so much. Join the family right here. Come on, click it.